Hey there, welcome to my channel. As I previously mentioned, I was going to let you know more about what I'm up to. So here's the big announcement. It's time, friends. I have been working on something in partnership with many others, and today I get to share it with you. Are you ready? Here we go. It starts with what's called the 5-5-5 challenge. A free challenge to transform 5 fears into 5 freedoms in just 5 days. I'm so excited to be one of the speakers on this upcoming transformative challenge. In collaboration with my mentor, Lita Sportel, and my fellow whole wellness coaches, Kathy Claver and Neil Fox, we are joining together every day to bring you the tools, tips, and information that will bring you out of uncertainty, doubt, and fear, and into a sense of, I got this. At this 5-day challenge, we will be sharing 5 types of blocks limiting your potential. So day 1 is the perfection pressure block. Perfectionism and how it's sapping your energy, creating pain and holding back your healing. On day 2, it's the other opinions block. Running on stress mode and giving up your own authority as we give into people pleasing and other people's opinions. On day 3, it's the time tightness block. Your endless to-do list and not enough time to create, edit, or just be. Day 4, the body burden block. Shame, guilt, poor body image, and mistreating our bodies causing us to mistrust ourselves. On day 5, wrapping things up, we have the money mindset block. Scarcity mindset, lack of resources, and even fear of money that is keeping us limited. And we'll be sharing some quick and easy tools you can incorporate into your daily routine to help calm your nervous system and begin to rewire it for health and wellness. There is so much in store for all of us next week. We are bringing all this to you so you can start shifting your life. And it can be as easy as signing up for the free 5-5-5 challenge. Follow the link in the description or comments and claim your spot at the challenge. I'm looking forward to seeing you there. Much love, light, and joy.